This is the problem, and this type of integrals, every time are triangles. So this is the hypotenuse, and the parts of inside of the square is the opposite side and the adjacent side, and that are the formulas. Well, we take the integral, and we are going to substitute the b with the formula. So we are going to have this plus 7 plus the derivative of b, and we are going to get out the 7 of the integral, so it will be the here, and after that we have this, and we are going to take the 7. We take out the 7 and the factor of 7, the factor common. We're going to have a trigonometric identity. So we're going to apply the trigonometrical identity, and after that we're going to eliminate the squares of the integral, and later of that we're going to take out this 7 to this side, and we're going to have this. We eliminate the squares, and this will be our final result, and we have to find this, and this is a cyclic integral, and so we're going to find our u and the u and our v and the ub, and it will be this.
And once we have this integral, we forget about this 7 because it's very difficult to have it, and we only focus on this part. So we separate into secant times secant squared, and we use the formula of u times v minus the integrate of u times du. So we use these ones in here, and we only substitute. We use u, that is secant times v, and following the formula, we got this, and this tangent square of theta is a trigonometric identity. So we use the secant square theta times minus 1. So once we have this, we can like pass the secant cube in here, and we have 2 times the integral of secant cubic. And there is another trigonometric identity in here, that is secant theta times d theta, that is natural logarithm of this, and we only multiply the 2 times everything in here. So we got this, and this 7 comes from this one. We pass it here, and we multiply the 7 times everything in here, and then theta times minus 1. So once we have this, we multiply this secant times this one is secant cubic minus the secant theta times d theta. And if you can see, we have this that is the same that we have in here. So we equal the secant cubic equals to this part of the formula, that is this one. And so we can like pass the secant cube in here, and we have 2 times the integral of secant cubic. And there is another trigonometric identity.
In the last step, you only need to substitute secant and tangent. Secant is equal to hypotenuse over cosine, is equal to square root d squared plus 7 over square root 7. And tangent is equal to adjacent opposite equal to b over square root 7. You only need to substitute. In this case, you have 7 over 2. Secant is equal to this times tangent plus 7 over 2 natural logarithm the secant times tangent, no, plus tangent plus c. The next, you only eliminate the 7, multiply b 7 over 2 times square root plus 7 over square root of 7. Okay. You only had eliminate plus simplify the answer. In this case, you have 7 over 2 natural logarithm, and in this, you only join the 2 is b square root b squared plus 7 over square root 7 plus c, and you only pass the answer, and this is the answer.